up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa if you're new here, and today I'm going to give you guys 10 things around your house that you do not think to clean that are pretty gross, pretty funky, and you just might not be remembering to clean them. These are 10 things that I do not see people cleaning on any cleaning videos. So if you're interested in seeing what these 10 things are, please keep watching.
All right, guys, so number one on the list is to clean your hood oven range thing. This can get really dirty, really gross with grease and dust, and that stuff will fall down into your food. So always be sure you're cleaning this so that you're not getting anything gross into your food that you're cooking. And if your hood is like mine, it does have a little light bulb cover over it. And if you have ever taken this thing down to clean it and looked inside, it is pretty gross. Mine even had a few tiny little bugs inside of it, so it's super important to clean this. I just use some soapy warm water and it cleans it right up. Number two on this list is your dustpan. Yes, of course, this thing can get super dirty because you're cleaning up dirt with it. So always be sure to clean your dustpan. That brings us to number three, which is your laundry basket. This might be something you never think to clean, but just look in your laundry basket and see how it looks. Just think you're putting dirty clothes in it, just nasty, soiled, dirty clothes in it. So of course this needs cleaned. And I even clean the bottom of mine just because it gets kind of gross from being on the floor. Number four, we always know that we need to clean the inside of our trash can because that's obvious, but how about the outside of the trash can? The outside of the trash can needs a little TLC also. And because mine is stainless steel, I'm using the Weimans wipes to wipe this down, and you guys, I love these things. Number five on the list is to soak your shower head in vinegar. This will clean out any grime that is actually in the shower head. And please forgive what my bathroom looks like. This is not dirt. I accidentally stained my shower with a blue SOS pad. I usually let this soak for about 4 or 5 hours and then remove it, and everything's nice and clean. Number six is not actually a household item to clean, but these are for my people that wear contacts as well. This is something that I have just recently learned to do, and that is to wash the outside of your contact solution bottle. I cannot tell you how many times I've tried to put my contacts in after washing my hands thoroughly and my eye almost burned out. And I'm thinking it's because there are germs, there are so much gross stuff on the outside of this bottle where we pick it up. So if you'll just lather it up with some soap and water, it'll be good to go. Now, number seven is pretty freaking gross, so if you don't like gross stuff, you might want to click on out right here, but you need to clean the holder that your plunger and your toilet brush are in. So what I do is I spray some Lysol or a little Clorox in it, and I let it sit for a couple of hours. Then I rinse it out in the bathtub, and then I will come back to it with something disposable like a paper towel or something like that, something I can get rid of and throw away, and I will scrub it down thoroughly. This will make your bathroom smell so much better. If you have a bad smell in your bathroom and you cannot figure out where it's coming from, it could be your holder or even your actual toilet brush. Number 8 is to clean your silverware holder. This should be, pretty easy to remember, but maybe sometimes you skip it and you don't remember. So you can go ahead and throw that in your dishwasher or just go ahead and wash it by hand really quick with some soap and water. What I do is go ahead and clean the whole actual drawer out while I'm doing this because why not? Number 9 on this list is to clean your kitchen scissors. It's super important to clean your kitchen scissors, especially if you're using these to cut poultry or anything like that. You can definitely get salmonella and things like that. You don't want to soak them in water because they will rust, but if you will just take some soap and water and just wipe them down really well, rinse them off, and then you're going to want to dry them as soon as you do to prevent them again from rusting. That is it for this video, you guys. I actually thought I had 10, but I only had 9, but that's okay. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, found it helpful, and maybe it will inspire you to do some cleaning. Please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.